So if we run some AC analysis, let's look at the frequency response of this amplifier. But we can see we're fairly flat up until around 2K. What we need to do is push this gain change up. So if we make this smaller, okay, now push that to 10K. You can see that this capacitor is able to control the AC gain, and this is basically due to this parallel impedance. So this is bypassing this 500 ohm resistor. And of course, you could make these bigger or smaller. It really depends on the load that you're going to attach. We can make this one bigger or smaller. You can see that this is going to have a primary effect on this high pass filter going into the circuit. Thank you. I hope that was useful.